2017 Dodge Journey SXT. We got our alloy wheels there. Okay, luggage rack. One of the things about this car, it is super clean on the inside. So you are going to have that gray cloth interior with the folding seats because you got your third row seating right there. Third row seats. So these seats here, these seats do fold. Checking this out on the driver part of it, you got your power seat, power windows, power locks. Just a good solid SUV, especially if you're looking to save a little bit of money. This thing's well priced. So you got your steering wheel mounted controls, Bluetooth. Okay, we got your dual climate control. Only 84,000 miles. So definitely one that you got to see for yourself, looking to save a little money, as well. It's going to help you out at the gas pump as well. So available at Master Motors, 716-204-0111.